Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the New Zealand dollar versus US dollar first. So basically what I found starting from the daily time frame is that we can see here that we have like 4 days of consolidation here. And market is trading back and forth in the defining trading range. And we can also see that the New Zealand dollar is in a strong upside cycle on the longer time frames like weekly, monthly and daily. So my advice will be to watch for the buying opportunities above the resistance zone at 0.6520, and only if the market can trade higher and hold above this resistance zone, you can I will advise to watch for buying opportunities with a potential for the bigger upside objectives and even 0.6700 or even 0.7 mark. So trading range is developing, and watch for potential breakout to confirm further upside continuation. Speaking of the gold market, we can see that market and we have the rate of change divergence here. Yesterday market had one down day. And so far today, market is trading around the previous day low at 1918. So pay attention on this previous day low, and I will watch to see how the market will behave around the previous day low. If the market can, trade below and maybe even break the previous day low, but have some bigger absorption rejection, then there is a chance also for the market to clear the low first and then, react and make some up day at the end of the day. But if the market will break, even further lower and sustain below the previous day low, then it can open a door for even 1910 to be on the test, maybe even 1902. So pay attention to the previous day low to confirm further direction, but keep in mind we're in a strong upside cycle. This bear divergence on the rate of change may open the door for lower prices, but for now market is just basically very quiet around this previous day low. So this will be the key to observe. Speaking of the crude oil, we have also the trading range regime. So we can see here in the daily time frame that we have the resistance zone at around 82.50 mark, and we have a support zone, let's say around 80 mark. 80 and 78.65. Market is trading very flat. We're building higher lows overall in the higher frames, but I would like to see the breakout of 82 mark, and if the market can sustain above, this can open the door for higher prices and an eventual retest of the 92.50 mark. So pay attention to that potential breakout continuation on the crude oil. And speaking of the Bitcoin, Bitcoin is also in a very well defined trading range. So we have this support zone, and then we have also the resistance zone here, as we can see. So anything meaningful to the upside, I would like to see the market to break 23,250 and sustain above. And this will be a good sign for the market to go maybe towards 25,000 mark. And if market will have no power to break and sustain above, then market can continue to trade back and forth in this trading range, and then the support zone will be set at 22,350 mark. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good weekend, trade safe, and speak to you from next Monday.